Where are you going?
I go to shopping with a friend. Bye, Pim. See you again next time.
Bye.
Hi, Via.
Hi, Bob. Where are you go?
I go to shopping.
Oh, yeah.
Bye. See you again.
Bye. See you again. I'm hungry. I want to go restaurant. Me too. We go to restaurant. Let's go.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
4 people?
Yeah, and you?
There are 3 people in my family.
Really? How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
And you? I have 1 sister.
Really? Who is more than 50% in your family?
Let me see. That is the difficult question. I guess it's me. Really? Ơi. Thank you. Thank you.
What can I get you?
May I have fried chicken and salad?
May I have papaya salad?
Will that be all?
Yeah, that it. I want ice cream.
What a minute.
Do you like?
I like orange juice a lot.
Really? What else?
I like pie too, of course.
Yeah, me too.
What else do you like?
What else? I like roll.
Really?
Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Could we have the chicken, please?
Here it is, madam. Thank you. Hi, Pim.
Hi. Bob, what did you do today?
I went shopping.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a few things.
What did you buy?
I bought this shoulder bag Do you like it?
Oh, yeah. I like it a lot. It's very tasty. What is expensive?
No, it wasn't expensive. It was on sale for 500 baht.
Oh, oh, really? That's cheap.
Yeah.